Welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some frozen treats. Let's start off by drawing an ice cream bar. First, draw a really big rectangle shape at an angle with rounded corners. Also, make the bottom corner really drippy. Coming out from the bottom, draw a really tall U shape for the popsicle stick. And draw a really thin line along the right edge to give it some thickness. Inside the rectangle, draw a really thin line along the right edge to give that some shape as well. Lastly, a few small bumps all over it for some nuts. Next, let's draw a frozen treat in a twin pop style. A twin pop is a popsicle with two sticks that you can split to share. Start with a long line here, with two bumps along the bottom like so. From the top, draw two more bumps that turn down to this end here. Underneath, add two tall U shapes coming out from the bumps for the popsicle sticks. And like the first one, some thin lines along the right edge for some thickness. On the twin pop, add a really thin line going up from the middle and rounding off at the top. Then, another long thin line down here as well. I'm going to decorate this twin pop with two wavy lines across the middle, but you can decorate yours however you like. Lastly, add some thin drippy lines around the twin pop to make it look like it's melting. And finally, let's draw a simple single popsicle. First, a small curved line for the top. Then, two long lines coming down and getting wider at the bottom. Followed by another curved line at the bottom with a drippy bottom corner. On the popsicle, add some thin curved lines across it for a twisty striped pattern. And just like before, a tall U shape with a thin line along the edge for a popsicle stick. And now you've got some frozen treats. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.